Hello again, this is Vishal from Language Academy over here. I have Gurvinder with me. He recently cleared his PT exam, guys. Now, before I start Gurvinder's journey, I want to tell that this guy has given 34 times, guys, his PT exam. That's a very, very big number. Now, in the final attempt, he smashed his PT with 390, guys. All right, he got 90 in listening, all right, and he got 79 in reading. He got 88 in speaking and 89 in writing. That's 3.9 equivalent to IELTS, guys. Very, very good score. Congratulations, Gurvinder. Now, this guy, has given so many times, guys. As I said, 34 times to be exact. And I think you gave 3 times with us.
Yes.
It was the last attempt, I think third attempt, which he gave with us, and he finally got his scores. Now, before we discuss about his ups and downs of his journey, I also want to tell that he cleared, I think, NAATI with us as well in last year, right? And in the very first attempt again. So 25 points towards his permanent pathway. Yes. Congratulations, Gurvinder. Gurvinder, please share your journey. First of all, tell us what was the motivating factor, right? What pushed you so you gave exams so many times with full dedication. Okay, so what was that motivating factor? Because students out there sometimes have a sense of disappointment, sometimes they want to give up, right? So please share your journey.
Well, I started my PD the first time in June 2017 and with the help of my friends and YouTube videos, but it didn't work. After that, I went to India and I did coaching for 1 month and I gave my exam and it didn't work. Then I came here and in between my classes, in my uni classes, I started taking coaching from some different institute. I'll not take the name of it. And then after 2 years even, I was not getting my score. I was not satisfied with it. Then I started focusing on NAATI. And for NAATI, I came here. One of my friends recommended Language Academy. So I came here, I met Vishal sir, and I got my NAATI score in the first attempt. But from here, because I gave 90 for 3 times as well. So in the 4th attempt, I got my score. And then I started again the coaching for PTE. So my friends told me, okay, take a holiday, take a leave from the work day off, and focus on PTE. I did that. I didn't get my score. And then again, I took leave for 2 weeks. It didn't work for me. Finally, this time I got my score. So it was my 34th attempt. I don't know. I was never expecting that much attempt, seriously.
But that's okay, guys. Why? Because this guy was very, very dedicated. Even I think in the last couple of attempts, he used to come every day to the lab. He used to come after his work. All right. As Gurvinder just mentioned that he took some time off from work. He followed some strategies from friends and everything, but it did not work. Sometimes, guys, what is working for your friend might not work for you as well. Right, so you need to find the appropriate thing which can work for you, because sometimes the things are different for them, so the things might not work, the same things might not work for you. Now another thing is this guy, as I said, he was coming every day to the lab, right? Yes. I think after your work you used to come over here. Yes. Right, and then he used to sit there for the entire time and he used to practice. Before giving the last attempt, you told me, sir, that's it. Yeah. I don't want to do it.
I want to give IELTS.
I want to give IELTS. Yeah. He told me, he said, okay, I want to give IELTS. Now, I don't know, I thought that, okay, maybe we can try once more. Yeah. Because we were improving. And then that's what I thought, that yes, we can get it done if we push a little harder, right? And that's what happened, I guess. And then we got it done now. Mm-hmm. Gurvinder, anything you want to tell when it comes to the PT itself? What is important, right? What you need to do in order to get your desired score, even if it is 6 each, 7 each, or 8 each.
Well, I will not tell you the modules of PD, you guys know those things, but the main thing is practice. You have to practice for PD, but practice without guidance, proper guidance, and without teacher is not possible. So it's better if you come, or if you can find a teacher for you who can give you feedback on your mistakes and can improve you. That would be better. Then only practice will make perfect.
Correct. Yes, guys, as Gurvinder said, you need to find a teacher or a mentor who can help you, or a guru who can help you and guide you, guys. Why? Because really you need to know where you're lacking, right? Because see, time is money now. So value your time, don't waste your time. Make sure if you're lacking somewhere and if it is not working for you, you need to change the approach, right? So if you don't change the approach, you'll be still doing the same thing in the exam and the same results would come. And then another thing, Gurvinder just I think called me midnight yesterday and said, okay sir, I finally got it done. And I was very, very happy for him. I can see the excitement, I can see the happiness, and finally he got it done. But guys, it took approximately 2.5 years. It was a very big journey.
I wasted all my, I think, TR, temporary residence, on PT.
Yes, but this guy did not give up because he knew that he needs PR. I think that was also
PR is the most motivating factor.
Motivating factor, yes. You need PR, and without PT it is kind of impossible, right?
Yes.
So make sure guys, if you need it, get it started. If you're struggling, change your approach, and yes, you need to practice, but yes, with the right guidance. Yes. Anything you want to add on, Gurvinder, before we can wrap it up?
No, thank you. I think that's all. It's better if they can come and join and focus by themselves.
Definitely guys, you need to come and see where you are lacking so that we can improve that together and we can get it done as well. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys next time, and congratulating him once again.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.